Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I use my tablet on a daily basis to read, study, watch movies, or even to share things with other people. I can't express enough how much I absolutely love using this KHOMO Padfolio. First off, it has a nice holder for my tablet. I have a Samsung Galaxy that's a little over 6 inches wide by 9 3/4 inch long, and this accommodated that perfectly. The corners of the tablet are very securely held in place by tabs that have elastic on them. It has really nice soft fabric on the pieces of material that actually touch the tablet. I love having peace of mind because I know when I do drop it, it's going to be okay. Also that there's a section for pamphlets or cards, and I use those pockets really frequently, and it keeps my material looking really nice and unwrinkled. The zipper is really smooth, it doesn't get stuck, and I love that I can charge my Galaxy without having to take it out of the Padfolio. I can just easily plug it in and keep it inside. I'm really pleased by the design, the quality, and the functionality of this Padfolio, but that's just my point of view.